Hello everyone. On continuing from trigonometry identity part 1 video, today we are going to discuss about the identity cot theta minus cos theta divided by cot theta plus cos theta, which is equal to 1 minus sin theta the whole square divided by cos square theta. If it's your first time here, we are Mathoners and we do produce quality math related videos. Please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for more such content. Like the previous problem, here also we are going to prove this identity by proving its LHS is equal to RHS. Now let's take its LHS. Its LHS is nothing but cot theta minus cos theta divided by cot theta plus cos theta. So now we are going to do the conjugate multiplication of the denominator. Here the denominator is cot theta plus cos theta. Its conjugate is nothing but cot theta minus cos theta. So we are going to multiply and divide by the conjugate, that is cot theta minus cos theta divided by cot theta minus cos theta. So which is equal to cot theta minus cos theta the whole square divided by cot theta plus cos theta times cot theta minus cos theta. We already know the formula for a minus b the whole square, which is equal to which is nothing but a square minus 2ab plus b square. So the numerator can be written as cot square theta minus 2 times cot theta cos theta plus cos square theta divided by look at this denominator, which is in the form of a plus b times a minus b. So a plus b times a minus b is nothing but a square minus b square. So the denominator can be written as cot square theta minus cos square theta. Now we are going to write cot theta in the form of sin theta and cos theta. So we already know that cot theta is equal to cos theta divided by sin theta. So on substituting this cot theta value over here, we get cos square theta by sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 times cos theta by sin theta cos theta, the whole divided by cos square theta by sin square theta minus cos square theta. Now we are going to take sin square theta as a common factor. So we can write the numerator as cos square theta plus sin square theta cos square theta minus 2 times sin theta cos square theta the whole divided by sin square theta. In denominator also we are going to take sin square theta as a common term. So cos square theta minus sin square theta times cos square theta the whole divided by sin square theta. So On looking into the numerator and the denominator, we will cancel sine square theta from numerator and the denominator. So this step can be written as cos square theta plus sine square theta cos square theta minus 2 times sine theta cos square theta whole divided by cos square theta minus sine square theta cos square theta. Now we are going to take cos square theta as a common term from the numerator and also in the denominator. So cos square theta times 1 plus sine square theta minus 2 sine theta divided by cos square theta times 1 minus sine square theta. So this 1 plus sine square theta minus 2 sine theta, which is in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab, which is nothing but a minus b the whole square. So this 1 plus sine square theta minus 2 sine theta can be written in the form of 1 minus sine theta the whole square. So on substituting that value, we get cos square theta times 1 minus sine theta the whole square divided by cos square theta times 1 minus sine square theta. Here we will cancel this cos square theta from numerator and the denominator. So we can write this 1 minus sine theta the whole square divided by 1 minus sine square theta. From the Pythagorean identity, we get this 1 minus sine square theta is nothing but cos square theta. So this can be written as 1 minus sine theta the whole square divided by cos square theta, which is nothing but our RHS. So we proved our LHS is equal to RHS. Thank you.